Hi, this is Carrie from onlytrains.com. Today we're going to show you how to install lights into your passenger cars. So we've got a LGB car here, and we're going to show you how to light it with the 67403 ball bearing wheels and the LGB interior light kit 68333. First thing you want to do is take the top off of your car. This one has a couple screws on the top here, so we need to get those out. Top off. The doors are loose, so you can just set those aside. And then you want to take your trucks off. This side here. Just take the whole truck off is going to be the easiest way to do it. It's nice to have a towel down too to set your screws on so they don't roll all over the place. Then you want to take your lighting kit. This comes with your everything you need, your wires, the lights, and then the screws actually to put them into the roof of your car. We've cut this wire. Normally it comes with two ends that you can either clip to another light or clip to the back of an engine. But we've clipped these and stripped them because we're just going to go straight down to ball bearing wheels. So what you want to do with this is put the wires straight through the hole of the bottom of the car. And then go through, there's 3 little holes on the bottom of the truck. You want to go through the one, and you can actually just screw the truck back on while you're right here. Okay, next what you want to do is get your plastic wheels off of the trucks. And those just pop off like that. Grab your ball bearing wheels. That's item 67403, and that comes with 2 ball bearing wheels and little pickups for your wires. So you clip the wire into this, and then this piece will actually clip into the pick on the wheel of the axle of the ball bearing wheel. So we're going to put these clips here on the wire. Alright, so we got our clips on the wires, and now we're going to put the ball bearing wheel onto the axle here, or onto the truck. Pop that in, and these actually just slide right onto these pickups on that ball bearing wheel axle. They'll slide on there, and then now you can see the wheel will spin, the axle will actually stay put, so your wires don't get tangled or anything like that as they're going around. And to match these ball bearing wheels, you can use LGB's item 67419. Those are the solid metal wheel set. Pop those in to match. Okay, tighten these back up. Alright, so we've got one side done. Now we'll do the other side as well. This one's already been clipped also. So we're going to take, same thing, take this truck off, put the wiring through the bottom, get the pickups on, ball bearing wheels. and metal wheels on the trucks.
You can start whenever.
Okay. Okay, so now we have ball bearing wheels, one on each truck, because we have two sets of lights in here. We have a set of ball bearing wheels and a set of steel wheels. And now what we want to do is put the lights on, screw those on top of the roof here. So take your light, there's already pre-drilled holes, and the screws that come with the lighting kit obviously will fit in here.
Alright, you can start whenever.
Okay. Alright, do the same thing with the second light here. Alright, and if you want, you can clip these wires together. You can cut them if you want to have them out of the way. Put a little tape under there to hold them down too. Grab your doors, put those back in. Top back on. Keep your screws tightened back up.